Hello, amazing people out there. I hope you all are good. My name is Sheikh Wasi, and I'm back with my new video of live learning series. So, what gonna we discuss today? What gonna we learn today? So, yes, uh, we are like social animals. We every day we meet with different people. We meet so many people, and we interact with so many people, and our in that phase in that situation, our ability to interact with people, our ability to influence people, our ability to handle people, whether you are in college, whether you are in your professional life, whether you are in any phase of your life, will surely definitely impact our life, our professional life, and our personal life. So you need to understand that our communication skills and our ability to interact with other people, our ability to handle people, surely going to be very important in our life. So as part of this, I have been I will discuss these things, like what I have been learned till now. Like I am in very young phase of my life, but yes, but till now, what I have been observed people, and what I have been learned from my family, learned from my friend, learned from reading books and watching movies. So I have been I will be discuss those key learnings with you. So it will be very helpful for you if you helpful for you. So be with me till the end. So so did you know core field like engineering, people's success depends only 15% on their technical skills, and other 85% depend on their social skills, like how they interact with people. So and how they handle people. So the first point which I will be discussing with you, like give people what they want, which I have been which is I discovered in the later part of my college. So give people what they want, food, sleep, like money, um, and etc are important in our life, but another one, except these things, another one thing which people literally cry from inside, that their their desire to be feel important, their desire to be appreciated. So you need to genuinely appreciate people. If you if you seen that movie clip from Munna Bhai MBBS, where Sanjay Dutt give a magical hug to this sweeper of this hospital, and appreciate their work, like they are doing a great job. And after that, that man started crying, and till the end of that movie, is by Sanjay Dutt's side. Even the Sanjay Dutt is not doing a great job in that hospital. So you need to if you see, this is just a movie clip, but you need to learn so much things from that movie. So I have learned so much from that movie, like how to interact with people, how to genuinely appreciate people. So this is the beautiful psychology of our of human mind. Like people really need that thing. You need to genuinely appreciate people, like you are genuinely appreciate people's work. That will really going to be help you to create more bonds, create genuine bond with people. So and as part of this, I have been learned that you need to be genuinely so interest other people life, other people work. You need to genuinely show interest on other people. Like most of the common mistake people do, like when they meet each other, they don't know each other, they started talking good points, they started praising themselves in front of them. So this is the most common mistake people do. Like no no other person, no, like nobody likes that the person in front of them are good, are more talented or more good than them. So it is a psychology. We are all a human being. It is like a psychology, that no person wants that the person in front of them will be uh, is good than them. So you need to understand that in every person's mind a movie is going on, and the hero of that movie is they themselves, not us. So you need to genuinely show some interest on their life, if you really really want a good connection with them. So have you ever wondered like how dogs are become very good friend of human beings? They genuinely show interest. They genuinely show interest on human beings, on their bosses, and they genuinely love their bosses without expectation. Yes. uh, so that dogs are very genuine, genuine friend of human beings. So you need to learn from this. Like no, you need to, if you want a good connection with someone, you need to show a genuine interest about their life. And another one thing which I have been learned from my past experiences, that if you want that somebody will do some work for you, then you need to tell them those points, that why they really do that work, what are their benefits on that, on by doing that work. And not like you are forcing them to do a work. You can force them by putting a gun on their head, but you know that is not the proper way. You need to interact with them in a proper manner, like what are the benefits by doing of them by doing this work. Like I learned these things by reading a very good book, like how to win friends and influence people, in which author Carnegie explained a very good example of that. Like uh, he uh, he has been planning a seminar in a hotel, and by then they book a hall for that seminar in the hotel. And before 3 days of that seminar, where when all the tickets of that seminar were sold. So the manager of that hotel would raise the price of that hotel, and by 300%, means three times of that real price of that hotel. And by seeing this, author Carnegie was shocked. Like after one day, he goes to that manager and say that I really shocked by seeing these prices, and started explaining like okay, by I know you are as a by and started talking to the manager, like I know you are the manager of this hotel, and your duty uh, is earning maximum profit for this hotel. If I am in your place, I will also do this. But uh, besides of that, once let's talk about what are your advantages and disadvantages by doing this. So your advantages is like your drawing room, your hall is to be going to be free, and you can use them for dance and conventions. And your disadvantage is that, like you are going to get zero instead of some money, because I have not that much money to give to you. I need to search for other hotel. And another one disadvantage is that in my hotel, in my seminar, there are so many successful people, and so many powerful people is going to came. And even a $5,000 ad will not bring that much people, what my seminar will bring to your hotel. And think about this. And if you are finding this something beneficial for you, you can contact me immediately. After one day, that manager contact to this author of this book, like Dale Carnegie, that I'm only charging you, means charging you what only charging 1.5% instead of 300%. So in that way, like author didn't tell what author want. So they only said those points, like what is your benefit in that. So we have to learn from this story. Like if you really want that some people do some work for you, then you need to really tell them that how why they should do that work, not like you are forcing them to do that work. Like if you are an like these skills are really important for leadership. So so this is it for today. Hope you like this information. If you like this information, you can apply it in your life. so that it will be you can achieve maximum result from this. So this is it for today. I'm Sheikh Wasi signing off for today. Thank you.